Hey guys, welcome back to AI Jikyasa. I'm your host Ashish, and today we are going to look at another open source model, which is SCAIL-2. And this model is good with video editing. You can change your character in the video like this. I'm someone else now. Right. So if you want to change your background, you can do that. If you want to change part of your video, you can do that also. Like if I want to change my arm into something, I can do that. And yeah, pretty much it. So yeah, let's see how we can use this model inside ComfyUI and edit videos like Kling Motion, a paid tool, right? So let's go. This is basically a SCAIL-2 workflow that I created. I'm going to quickly show you what these groups are, and then I will straight go into the demos. I will create videos in, and that's it. So first thing first, this is the reference loading area where you can see I'm using a video which is it's a viral thing that is going on in social media. And I've changed the image with this. And this is basically a video editing, but not a reference to video model, right? You if you want to change your video, if you want to change the character or background, you need to be sure that you are using the first frame as a reference with change character, right? Let me show you. If you want to change your character in the video, just use select image node and get your first image, which is this, right? This is the image. Use this image, change the character using Nano Banana Pro, ChatGPT image, or Quen image if you want to, like this. You can use the character and put her into that pose, same pose, and you will get this image, this kind of image, right? So 896, 512, or 512 by 896, portrait or landscape. That's the only thing you have. I'm using 81 frames. You can go with bigger if you have a better GPU, right? I'm skipping some frames. That's different, and that's it. This is the model loading area. So scale. I'm using scale to Q8. Let me use the FP8 model, not Q8. And I'm using Litex 2V Miss 2V 64 rank digital LoRa. You can go with 32, 16 also if you don't have that enough VRAM. So I can run this, so I'm using this. And then UMT XXL FP8 clip node, clip text encoder basically. And then load VAE, we are using WAN 2.1 VAE. Using sampler, Euler sampler, and simple 8 steps, one denoise. I can go with 4 steps also, but I want a bit of quality, so I'm going for 8 steps. So this is if you want to download this model, I'm going to put this into the description. And basically, if you want to see I'll link this page also in the description. You can see what you can do with SCAIL-2. As you can see, there are some demos here. The image shows how you can go from human to any replacements, any to any replacements, complex interaction, it can do egocentric action, it can do. So basically a lot of things that you can do with this model, right? But image based, not, reference based, but not reference to video. It just uses reference to guide your model or guide your video. Right, so I'll link this in the description, and if you want to download the models, you can go to Comfy.org because Comfy already using this natively. So there's LoRa. This DPO LoRa, basically what it does is it can enhance the quality of your generation, basically, of your video editing generations. So I'm using this also. I don't see that much of a difference, but I can see some minor improvement also. So this is the clip text node. You don't have to write a lot of detailed prompt here, just what is happening in the scene. That's it. You have to just describe what is happening, right? Changing the prompt into like this bunny or that character, whatever, right? This is the masking option where you can see the section is showing like it's a 3.1 multiplex I'm using for masking, and I'm using two different clip text node. Why? Because if I want to change something only here, like a shirt or something, I can do that because reference has a different clip text node, and for video masking I have a different text node, so I can create the female character, the bunny character. So right, and then we have this create scale 2 color mask driving data. This what it does is basically it create a mask and give you the results. That's it. So yeah, and then there's this sampling area where the sampling is happening. This is the one scale to video. This node you're going to get from if update your ComfyUI, you will get this node. So this is the node that is doing everything like post video masking, reference image, and like everything is coming here, and it's going from here to sample custom, which is our sampling execution. So simple node, and then VAD code, and you get the video. Now after the video, I created a compositing mask thing, which where basically you can only mask out the details that you have created, not the whole thing. As you can see here, when I created the whole video, my face get changed, and as you can see, the background is also distorted because it's sampled the whole thing. But I wanted only the gauntlet. So what I did is I cropped out this using the masking that I was already using, SAM 3.1. So I use that to mask out this, and I composited with my original video. So as you can see now, my face is original, the background is original, but the only thing that is replaced is the gauntlet. So it works good because the original video has been used to create this video, so it is perfectly using the motion. The good thing about this whole workflow or SCAIL-2 is it basically, if I have to use a character drive motion video, then I need DW pose or maybe depth, canny, some controllers to basically drive or create a motion capture thing, so I can put my character reference over it and it can create the whole video. But here, SCAIL-2 is using something which is in Mocha inside it, and that is the thing that is driving your whole video. Right, now let's go back to the workflow. If you want to extend your video with this, you can do that also. So there's this ComfyUI easy use custom node pack for start loop, for loop start, for loop end. What it does is basically you grab your video output that is here and put it into the initial value 1 and the total frames that you've created. So as you can see here in the scale to video 1 scale to video node, there is a video frame offset output. You just connect it with the initial value 2 and you get the frame count. Basically, if you are creating a 10-second or 20-second video, the frame count will go into total 20-second frames. Like you created 81 frames, then 5 seconds here, you connect the flow, and then value 1, which is your video outputs, will go into the previous frames, right? So this will remember that, oh, these are the frames that you have created, already created, and then value 2 will go into the video frames offset. So what this node will do, it will use after 81 frames, so 82, 83, 84, and this will give the latent to the sampler custom node. Your video after 5 seconds will create it, and then this will merge your video and you will get the video here. So you can use this for anything to extend your videos in anywhere, right? So you already seen the demo. So this is the workflow, and I will put this workflow in the description. You will get it from there. And let's see how we get, what kind of results we get from this video and this reference, right? So it is creating SAM3 video track. You can see here, perfect masking. SAM 3.1 is great for masking out your characters, your background, or anything. This is the only thing you need to change, like replacement mode. If you want to change the background, you just have to off that button. If you want to change the character, you need to on, true and false. And now it's going to work here, and I'll show you the results in a second. It will take 6 minutes, I guess, to create a 5-second video, which is a very big time, I think. Um, but one take a lot of time to create videos, so it's fine. Look at this. It's quite good, right? just one more video that we're going to create, and then that's it. This is the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this loop thing to show you that it works. Right. So let's see how it works. So it's done. As you can see, it's 97 frames long, and this is the result. This is 49 frames, first one. Then this is the loop system, and this is the result. Not this. This one is the later one, like the original result. This is the.
Then we must make sure it doesn't consume us.
Basically, you can create the whole video, like if there are 200 frames, 500 frames, whatever the frame numbers are, you, without getting OM out of memory error, you can create a whole video. You just have to um, like there is a math expression here, like I did like 14 frames per frame count. Basically it will convert, it would divide the 300 400 frames divided by 49, how many times the loops is going to work. It's that. So it was one, only one. So the loop start and ended with one only. So yeah, that's the thing. Now this is the whole workflow. You will get this in the description. I will share it. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you didn't understand anything, or if you want me to cover some model or something. Right? Yeah, that's it. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious